Guys, today is the 30th anniversary of the release of Top Gun in theaters. Boom!
Wow.
Can you believe that? Oh my gosh.
That's a little freaky.
Yeah.
I'm sure Tom Cruise is probably freaked out about that too, being that long ago. He was Goose. What was his name?
You did not just say that.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't remember his name. Was he Goose? Was he
Murphy,
Moose? Who was he?
You just proved how non-movie a person you are.
Maverick.
Wait, it was Maverick. Yeah. It was 30 years ago. Really? I mean,
I
come
don't know
on.
anybody who hasn't watched that movie more than a few times.
I
but
have.
Anyway.
I mean, the volleyball scene. That's the one everybody goes
No,
over.
that's the ladies. The ladies like the
Everybody
volleyball
sings
scene.
along in the bar with what is it? You've lost 11 feeling.
Yeah, okay. Please don't. This movie is one of the greatest. In fact, anybody who flies loves this movie. I remember watching this and watching it with dudes and guys around going, oh my gosh, that camera must be actually on that jet. You know, every time
It was a full-size camera. He's right. It wasn't a GoPro. And they weren't doing CGI back then either.
Every time they went up, if you go back and look now and think about the technology of every time they went up, you felt like you were flying with them. It was brilliant. But you cared about these people. You cared about his struggle as Maverick to find himself. Does that make sense? And his troubledness. And then it made Val Kilmer. It made Anthony Edwards.
Well, looks like I'm not the only one screwing the movie up, huh, Jody?
So I'm assuming Goose won't be in the sequel?
No, Sam, if you know the story. Anyway,
Yes, I do.
Tom Skerritt doesn't want a sequel. He was the instructor.
Yeah.
He doesn't want a sequel. He says you cannot recreate that. Jerry Bruckheimer and Tom Cruise met recently. They said if Tom Cruise likes the script, they're going to do a second movie, a sequel, and Tom Cruise will be a senior officer.
Yeah, I was going to say, won't he be an instructor at Top Gun?
Yes, Maverick.